Honor. Mr. Cothey has agreed to plead to one count of misdemeanor disorderly conduct, with the remaining counts in the complaint dismissed and read in, and a joint recommendation by both parties for court costs totaling $443.
I believe he was in the process of a revocation. Was he revoked or did?
Yes, Your Honor. As of yesterday afternoon, the final decision from the administrator came in, and he has been revoked, and he will be sent to Polk County for sentencing.
I was in a relationship with Andrew Cothey for almost a year. He was on the phone with a friend, and just out of nowhere, he called me the B word and then threw a car manual at me. Seconds later, he would spit in my face. He ended up waking me up to ask me where I handed him what he had wanted, and I didn't have anything else. He got angry and started firing the flare gun out the sunroof. Then he took the passenger visor and ripped it off the car, and then hit me in the cheek with it. The next thing I knew, he started bashing my head against the passenger window. I ended up throwing up and passing out.
The criminal complaint is very sparse and just indicates that there was an argument and it may have escalated, but what I have access to doesn't discuss the level of what that argument may have been or consisted of.
Mr. Cothey has been revoked in Polk County on some more serious charges and is going to be presumably serving a jail sentence. I think at least one of those had some stayed jail time. So I don't believe that based upon the facts that anything more is necessary here.
I'm questioning why a battery wasn't charged.
Right. I don't have any information about bruising or pain or injury in the file as I review this.
So he's pleading guilty to one count of disorderly conduct, is that correct? And the other count will be dismissed and read in, and he's facing other charges in the bail jumps in Polk County?
To my understanding, Your Honor, that is correct.
You're pleading guilty to one count of disorderly conduct, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
The maximum possible penalty of this crime could be a fine of up to $1,000 or up to 90 days of incarceration or both. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
That means I'm not bound to follow that, and I could sentence you all the way up to the maximum possible penalty, and I could do that here today if I thought it was necessary and warranted. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you still wish to proceed and enter a guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you go over the criminal complaint with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
And again, that's that document that basically says what happened that day and why you were charged with the crime. Did you get into an argument and into a fight with SB?
I don't believe so.
You don't think you did?
I just know that when she dropped me off, she was yelling stuff at me when I drove off.
So what did you do?
I just drove off.
You didn't do anything?
No.
You didn't provoke a disturbance?
No.
Good, we're going to trial. Thanks. We'll set this matter for a trial. Okay?
A routine plea deal, or so they thought, flushed face balance scale. The courtroom falls silent as the judge hears the domestic violence details. Then suddenly, everything changes. Face screaming in fear. Plea deal denied. One decision that shocks everyone in the room. Justice just took a powerful turn. Fire.